Alright, I did not record any of this, but the clutch is slipping in the Miata. If you're following on Instagram, you've seen that, but no worries. I've got to pull the transmission tomorrow. I've got one day. I did bring my used clutch with me, so I should be able to get something to get home with, but I don't know if I'm going to drift. We'll play it by ear, see what the car feels like, I guess, go from there. And huge shout out to Noah for having us. The hospitality, dude, highly appreciate it. You're awesome. He's also going to be letting us use the shop, so we'll be following them as well. As always, fingers crossed. Perfect. Alrighty guys, we are here at Noah's house. We've got the Miata unhooked. He's got the trailer hooked up to his truck. We're gonna get to the shop. We're gonna start taking this thing apart. Fingers crossed it's nothing crazy. My clutch is doing wild stuff. So. So this is my issue. My input shaft is completely chewed up and my clutch discs are completely chewed up. So you can actually see right through there. The teeth on that first disc are completely tore out. The second disc are on the way. At least we found the issue. And I have all my old parts to get this fixed. However, as you know, I broke my trans taking this apart the last time, so I need to be very, very careful this time. So we just got to get going, pulling the transmission apart, pulling the clutch apart. It's basically the worst case scenario, except for completely destroying the transmission. Yeah, we can get it back together today with all the parts that I have. It's just going to be hours and hours worth of work. Again, we'll be able to get back on the road at least. We'll see about drifting, but we'll definitely be taking it easy, that's for sure. Guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Full Lock Drift Shop and Clutch Kickers and Noah and Zach for all helping me out on the car last night. Basically had to pull the transmission, swap the input shaft, and do the clutch. A lot of work. Just happy it's over, and I can't wait to drift with Clutch Kickers. Here at Clutch Kickers, it is going down. Just had the driver's meeting, hopped in the car, gonna go run out on track for the first pass to see what's up. We're gonna have Tyson in the car. What's up, Tyson?
Yeah, let's go. That thing felt really good. This car set up, to say the least.
Yeah,
it was
buddy.
very fun.
I haven't hot lapped in the Miata before, only in my other car.
Really?
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun.
Hell yeah, the car feels great.
Yeah, very tandem-able track.
Dude,
sure.
So good for tandems. Yeah, if you haven't run this shit before, like it's such a good time. And the comps down here with Clutch Kickers 100,000 series this year, and they're gonna be paying out even more next year.
It's crazy.
Dude, like I'm highly considering building a car just to keep down here. And that way, because the chances of winning real money, it's 10,000 for first.
Yeah.
You could actually make money drifting if you win here enough.
If you win enough, yeah, for sure.
Dude, could you imagine?
$10,000 for one event? Dude, that's insane.
And they're gonna have at least 5.
Yeah.
Guys, definitely check out Clutch Kickers. I love these dudes. Yeah, those laps are awesome, guys, but I came out and my fan wasn't running. Power was on, and I was like, what the hell's going on? There's actually, it was smoking from the motor. So the motor was smoking, I turned it off, I was able to force the fan to move. It was stuck, I don't know why, and then turned it back on, and now it's working again. So we'll see how it goes. What's good, bro? What's your Instagram?
Too Loud Bear.
Too Loud Bear? Love it. Oh.
Alrighty, we've got the fan replaced. I'm about to jump back in this thing and see what kind of laps we can do. I think I have about 5 laps left on the current pair of tires. I've already had 4 on them, so that'll put me at about the 9 lap mark, which is pretty good. If I can get into that 10, I'd be even happier. Just easy math, you know. I want to be 2. We want to jump. We can jump in more. You want to go with them? Okay. Alright, so I'm actually completely out of Valino tires. Technically I have 1 left, and I'm sending it on some used boys. So Luis called me out for a battle. Luckily we've been tandeming all day, so it should be pretty good. We're gonna know each other's runs pretty well, and we'll see how it goes. I should have run my other tires.
Oh, you couldn't? You were like super slow, right?
Yeah, you were really fast compared to me.
Yeah.
Good job, though. Good job. Hell yeah.
That was fun, bro.
Now you gotta go call someone else out, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, it's Drift Week 2, guys. Okay guys, that is a wrap. That is the end of Drift Week 2. I am excited to say that the car is not broken. Some minor stuff I have to do before I get it on the road. We gotta hit FD first. Hey guys, let me know if you like this content. I wanna do more, obviously. We're gonna keep on rolling. Thank you for watching and all the support. See you guys out there.